Hindi Divas or Hindi Day, 14th September. Hindi Day is an annual day observed on 14th September in North India to celebrate the adoption of Hindi as one of the official language of India. Hindi Divas is dedicated to promote and propagate the official language and is celebrated as a patriotic reminder to Indian populations of their common roots and unity. About Hindi. Hindi is the fourth most spoken language in the world after English, Spanish and Mandarin. Hindi belongs to the Indo-Aryan branch of Indo-European family of languages. In all, there are 22 scheduled languages of India, in which 2 are officially used at union level, Hindi and English. According to the Article 343, the official language of the Union shall be Hindi in the Devanagari script. The form of numerals to be used for the official purpose of the Union shall be the international form of Indian numerals. Hindi was the language that was adopted by Indian leaders as a symbol of national identity during the struggle for freedom. It has been used as a literary language since the 12th century. Modern Hindi today is spoken by more than 250 million people as a first language. History. On September 14, 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted Hindi as the official language of the newly formed nation. The decision was then accepted and it became a part of the Indian Constitution on January 26, 1950. The first Hindi Divas was celebrated in 1953. The first Prime Minister of the country, Jawaharlal Nehru, decided to celebrate Hindi Day on September 14. People like Biohar Rajendra Simha, Hazari Prasad Dwivedi, Kaka Kalelkar, Maithili Sharan Gupt and Seth Govind Das lobbied hard in favor of Hindi to be made the official language of India. Biohar Rajendra Simha. Biohar Rajendra Simha is best known for his illustrations in the original final manuscript of the Constitution of India. On his 50th birthday, that is on 14th September 1949, Hindi was adopted as the official language of Republic India. Celebration. Schools and colleges in India on this day organize literary and cultural programs, competitions in Hindi, where all students participate. Most of the educational institutes organize poem, essays and recitation competitions and encourage students to take part and celebrate the language and be proud of it. Apart from local level events in schools and other institutions, a few of the notable events include: the former President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, had conferred awards in different categories for the excellence in different fields pertaining to Hindi at a function in Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. Every year on Hindi Divas, the President of India presents the Raj Bhasha Awards to people for their contribution towards the language at a ceremony in Delhi. Raj Bhasha Awards were conferred upon the ministries, departments, PSUs and nationalized banks. Ministry of Home Affairs in its order dated 25th March 2015 has changed name of 2 awards given annually on Hindi Divas. Indira Gandhi Raj Bhasha Puraskar, instituted in 1986, changed to Raj Bhasha Kirti Puraskar, and Rajiv Gandhi Rashtriya Gyan Vigyan Maulik Pustak Lekhan Puraskar changed to Raj Bhasha Gaurav Puraskar.